Hey there! Looking to tidy up your Windows 11 storage and clear out all those pesky caches, temporary files, and clutter? Well, you're in luck. In this quick video, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can get it done in no time. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First things first, open up the settings on your computer, then navigate to the left side menu and click on System. After that, select Storage. Now, it'll take a moment to scan all your files. Once it's finished, click on Temporary Files. Next, make sure to tick every single box here. Then click on Remove Files. After that, click on Continue. Now, it'll start clearing out all the unnecessary junk from your computer. It might take a bit, so just hang tight for a moment. Once it's done, your computer should be squeaky clean, but there might still be a few temporary files lingering around. To get rid of them, fire up the Run program by pressing the Windows key plus R key from your keyboard. Then type in %temp% and hit enter. Now the file should pop up. Simply select everything here and delete it. You might see a pop-up saying some folders or files are in use. Just tick the box and hit skip. Now it should clear out all those unnecessary temporary files from your computer. And there you have it. That's how you delete all the unwanted caches, junk, and temporary files from your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel and don't forget to drop a like. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.